Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making chocolate chip cookies. What you will need: 150 grams of butter softened, 80 grams of light brown muscovado sugar, 80 grams of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, 225 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and 200 grams of chocolate chips or chunks of your choice. The first thing you're going to do is line your baking tray and preheat your oven. Add your butter, sugar and brown sugar into your bowl. Then you're going to beat this until it becomes nice and creamy. Now add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1 egg. Now take your sieve and sieve your bicarb into the bowl. Then you're going to sieve in your flour. Now you take your wooden spoon and you are going to mix the flour with the rest. Lastly, add your chocolate chips. Take a teaspoon of mixture and place it on the tray, but make sure to leave enough space between each one. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.